Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health, that's big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at an age of all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my fountain of youth technique. But before that, your word today, baby, is trust. Trust the process. Trust your steps that you're taking. Do not think that you're going the wrong direction. Take confidence in the place that you're going. You may be walking into the darkness, meaning you don't know your destination. You don't know what are your uses being. You're used to being in the wilderness. You're used to navigating in darkness between the valleys of your mountains for the last couple years. But you can always keep moving forward. Now, you may not know what's going to come out as soon as you come out your wilderness. You may not know your destination. You may not know the place that you're going, but you know it's going to be better than where you've been. So trust the process, and guaranteed it's going to manifest. And the new season will put you where not only you belong, where you've earned and where you want to be. I trust life and my strengths. I always trust the Taurus strength because you're so strong, a foundational sign. So make sure you continue to keep confidence that because you never break. You may bend, but you get upright and you keep on moving forward. And breakthroughs always happen. Each moment guides me to the light. Everything on my path is placed for my growth. Remember, blessings, they're not weightless. They come with their own weight. Make sure you pick up your bed and walk. Pick up your journey. Pick up your responsibilities and keep walking forward. And as you keep walking forward, you know you become stronger from a month ago, 6 months ago, to a year ago. You're way stronger than you used to be. Blessings come with their own weight, just like negative energy. So make sure you're putting in the work and continue to do that, because blessings will feel like a feather and they'll be able to shine. They'll be able to rain on you. You'll be able to manifest and you'll be able to maintain it. Rain, sleet, or snow, no matter your hardest days, will feel like a feather, not like a ball and chain. Let's do the work. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. I love you.